Hi cuties, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kia, and today's video is going to be this cute fall look. If you're new here, my name is Kia and my channel is about everything nails, nail accessories, and my application of choice is polygel. Right now I've been actively using polygel for about a year, so all of my most recent nail videos are on polygel. So yeah. So this is a cute fall look. Okay, I left this clip in here so y'all can see this like fail. So I tried this because I was scrolling on social media one day and I saw a girl did like a spoof video and to that little song when everybody was like, ain't nobody tell me nothing, and she did that, and they was basically saying the top coat helps the polish glide on easier for you to draw the smile line. But at the time I did this, I don't think it dawned on me that I might have should have cured it first. I think I didn't cure it on purpose because I didn't want to. My thing is, it takes me so long to do my nails that if I don't like the design, I don't feel like going through the hassle of filing it off and possibly having to refill in any dips or anything. So I'd rather just try it while it's wet. If I like it, then I'll cure it. If I don't, I'll rather wipe it off because it just a lot easier for me. But I was today years old when I realized that maybe they meant cure the nail with the top coat first and then go back in and draw the smile line. But I will say it helped my line look a little bit more crisp at the end, because this first layer looks horrible, but when I go back in with the second layer and really outline the smile line again with the polish, it made it look a lot more crisp, so I'll give it that. But see right here, if you take too long, because the top coat is not cured, it's causing the polish to just like move in a sense. So I cured the first layer. So this is me coming back and putting the second layer on it, and it's really coming together. I really loved this color. I got this, I think this is Born Pretty actually. Yeah, this is Born Pretty polish, and I got it off of Amazon. I'm going to link the set that I got below. It was like some fall color. I actually bought this last year for some fall sets of it last year, and I really love this beigey gray undertone color. Like, it was my favorite. It's like a very nice nude. But I did that same method, and I used the Makartt top coat to do that. But right there I was just showing you guys the Beetle's blooming gel that I'm using for my middle finger. I wanted to do something fun and different on every finger, because I figured you guys might be tired of seeing me do French tips, because French tips have just been my favorite thing to do. I just like to do different types of French tips and jazz it up, stuff like that. I don't do a lot of super full artsy hand drawn nails, even though I should. I kind of want to get into it and get better. But every time I say I want to do something, I end up doing my nails, and I look at the time and be like, I gotta go to work tomorrow. I just need to do something quick, something cute, so I can be on out the way, and my nails still look put together. So basically, that's kind of become my style. So if you're somebody that's like that, either you press the time, or you're just not good at like hand drawn art, or maybe you just don't want to try. You like the simple, regular, cute but simple, you know what I'm saying? Or something that's very minimal effort but it doesn't look like it is, or something that's also very minimal effort and it just turns out really cute. Like, if that's like your type of style, then my nail art videos are good for you, because what I do, does not require a lot. So I basically just have swatches, or on this is a pencil box that I'm using. So I just took that and took this brush, and I have a napkin on the side that I'm using to wipe the polish colors off so I can switch between them. So that's how I was able to do that middle finger, and I was just taking random colors and just like drawing them in a straight line across the nail. Now this one right here, I decided to get a little bit more funky and different and fun with the design, and just try to think of something out of the box. I really loved honestly, my two favorite nails out of this whole set was definitely my pinky nail and definitely my ring nail. I really liked the art that I drew. I just love the color combo of those. I love the nude, like gray color, like Frenchy. It was very very fall vibes. Like, I just loved it. This will also be really cute for like a 3D art if you want to put some acrylic on top. If you want it to like really pop, that would be cute. Ooh, maybe I should do a fun sell like that in the future, of like Frenchies like that, or like fun type of, I don't know. You know, a lot of my designs, I just think about like different ways to jazz up a French tip. I don't know why French tips have just been my favorite lately, and it's been one of my go-tos, easiest go-tos, even though it gets on my nerves to draw them. It's still kind of hard for me to draw them, but I just love the look of them once they're finished. But basically the colors I'm working with is a brown, a orange, a burgundy, a like mustard yellow, or like gold color, which is this color right here that I'm putting down. It can also go for like a green color from certain angles too, like you can see there's some green in there, and that beige color. So those are the main colors that this set has focused on, and these are my Beetles striping brush polishes. Everything will be linked down in the description, and I want to let you guys know, I also put a disclaimer in the description box, but the links that I put in there are for me to possibly earn a small commission from Amazon when you purchase things through that link. So if you click on the link and you just look to see what it is, but then you copy and paste it into your app or something, I won't make commission off of that. I only make commission off of it if you purchase directly through that link. But yeah, this is the orange. At this point in time, this is when everybody was doing that. What is it? Using the molding gel to draw those lines across their nails and then like do the chrome. So this was my first time actually trying that, and I figured that the Makartt Rhinestone glue would work for me. However, this is before I realized a lot of other people was probably using that method as well. It's like using the Rhinestone glue. I figured because it was easy to squeeze out the bottle. But basically I cured the Rhinestone glue fully, and then I polished on top of it. And I only cured the polish for about 15 seconds so that the chrome can stick. I think it was 15 or 30 seconds so that the chrome can stick. I tried my best to get the chrome only on the bling gel that I drew, so that it would be a different color from the rest of the nail. I originally was going to do the whole tip in chrome, but I thought it would be cool to make it two-tone. So I left the bottom orange and then did the bling gel with the chrome. And then I'll top coat it all towards the end, but I top coat that nail last because of the chrome. The chrome tracks a lot of glitter. As you can see, if you look closely in that nail, it already had like some of the gold glitters from the chrome before I even did anything else. But I just went ahead and put some more blooming gel on my thumb, and I'm just going in and basically doing half of my thumb, or like a portion of my thumb, just like I did my middle finger. And after this, I'm going to go in and add some gems. Unfortunately, I don't think I had that clip, or I couldn't find that clip to put it in here. But I'm just going to go in and add some gems around the crown of my middle finger. And then I put a planet charm. And now you see me top coating. And this is actually the Makartt top coat. It was my first time using it, and I actually really enjoyed the way it came out. To be honest, I only grabbed it because in my mind I was like, oh, it's just Makartt. I'll just grab one of these random ones. I felt like it was like more of a cheaper one at the time, is what I thought at least. So I was like, oh, I don't want to mess up my good top coats, so I'll just use this one because I know it's glitter. The glitter can track like in the top coat. But after trying it, I enjoyed it. And I take that back, this is actually my second time using that top coat. The first time I used the Makartt top coat was with the rose gold set that I did. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and share the video for somebody who you think may like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next one, cuties. Mwah.